Hey guys, I'm on this project and there's a wall that has moved and it's at my sister's house. And so we're going to take this down today and then my son and I are going to rebuild this tomorrow. So when you're looking at putting in palm trees or putting in whatever, you always have to make sure you know what you're looking at and long-term effects. So you want to make sure that that palm tree, which is a king, is set further back and not so close to the wall. And you can see just recently that this has really moved a lot. And I didn't post this picture before, but this wall just in the past 6 months has probably moved another 3 or 4 inches. So we're taking all the way back over to here and back around the corner. And here's a funny part, or a funny part. When you think about walls, I mean, this really scary moved. A good 9.0 earthquake, which we'll never have, pray to God, in California, would definitely move this more. So anyway, Dave Pratt, wait to see the results. They're going to be awesome. Call me 714-588-8634. I'm out.